Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardo and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is featuring a sound system that we've upgraded in a Nissan Skyline. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. It will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos of installations that we're carrying out from workshop facilities here in Cambridge. Other than that, guys, let's get started. There's a couple of key things that this customer was after when he booked in with us. First of all was the fact that we wanted a complete factory look in terms of the speaker upgrade. Second of all was to have a overall better sound in the vehicle in terms of clarity as well as volume. And then third of all, what we've got was more functionality, and we have achieved every single one of those things. The reason how we do that on every single occasion is due to our booking platform. Basically, the way that's done is by an audio consultation. That's exactly what this customer did. Went onto our homepage, which is Cambridge Car Audio. If you Google that, what you'll come up with is our homepage. And then what you've got is a booking platform. All you do is plug in your details and time and date of when you want to come down, see us, and we can go through and design and spec your system to exactly how you want it. In terms of this system here, what this customer did was that we sat down with the customer, we went through everything in great detail, and that's why every single one of our systems is completely bespoke. In terms of this system, there was those three key elements that this customer was looking for, and we've achieved every single one of them. So what we've gone for in terms of, first of all, the functionality. We've taken out a single DIN radio, which basically only had Bluetooth and an auxiliary input. Now what we've got is wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, CD. We have also got the functionality of USB and auxiliary as well, but you've also got Bluetooth streaming and Bluetooth for hands-free. So loads more functionality packed into that Pioneer unit. So it's a really, really smart solution. Obviously head units are changing all the time in terms of different models and stuff. But if you get in contact with us, we'll guide you in terms of the best unit that's available on the market to fit your needs. So that's the unit that's all gone into the center of the dash. Looks really, really nice there as well. In terms of the actual sound in the vehicle, and that was one of the key things for this customer, complete factory look, and also the fact that we've got an overall increase in volume and sound. The existing setup was basically two aftermarket speakers into the current locations that we've gone into in the door, which was a 6-inch in the door and basically running directly off the head unit. Obviously, if you're looking for a little bit more volume as well as clarity, that's where we always recommend an amplifier. This customer took our recommendation, however, was worried that the amplifier was going to be on display. But that's not the case. We've hidden a Hertz HCP 4 amplifier underneath the driver's seat. We can completely customize these systems to exactly what you want. So whether you want a custom build or you want something completely factory look, we can do it all. So that was one of the key things for this customer, and we have achieved that today. In terms of the system, what we've upgraded those aftermarket speakers for is an Audison Voce Coaxial speaker. Absolutely incredible bit of kit there. So basically they've gone behind the factory grills, we've mounted them in painted MDF brackets, but basically gone into the door. And one of the key things is with the speaker rings that were existing from factory was basically a plastic housing with then a little plastic panel that actually stops goes up against inside the door card from stuff falling through. We've actually replicated that out of MDF, and that's all gone back together to exactly how it was put together in factory. In terms of the sound, we've also added skin soundproofing. Not only does that stop resonation in the door, but also decreases a little bit of that road noise that you get. But the main thing is it builds a better acoustic environment for that speaker to work in. So that's all gone inside the door, so that's all now soundproofed inside the door. And obviously we can do different levels to that as well. In terms of the amplifier, we're running a 4-channel amplifier bridge to run into those two speakers because they're the only two speakers inside the vehicle. The rear speakers have been removed. And basically it just gives a real nice overall factory look and overall a better sound, and also you get a massive increase in volume using an amplifier. But it also means that your clarity at lower volumes is also there. So if you're interested in something like this, make sure you get in contact with us. We'll drop all our links below. But that's a bit more of an overview of the system and how it's been put together. So that's basically just giving you a bit of an idea, but the main thing, the best thing you can do is book an audio consultation live on our website. Hopefully you've all enjoyed this system. We've seen a little bit more about what goes on behind the scenes of an audio system on a Nissan Skyline. If you are interested in something like this, make sure you get in contact with us. We'll drop all the links below. We're on Instagram, Facebook, as well as you can email us and also book an audio consultation with us. We'll sit down, design and spec your Nissan Skyline to exactly how you want it. Other than that, guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for watching and we'll see you soon.